So we have successfully installed a WordPress on our system, and with the installation of WordPress we have also created our first ever website which we can access from the URL by typing localhost / the name of the website and hit enter. And congratulations on creating your first ever website. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on WP Punch. In this video we are going to learn how to install WordPress on localhost XAMPP step-by-step process. So if you are interested in learning how to easily create a website using WordPress, then consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. So without further any delay, let's jump into the video. So how to install a localhost? For that, go to the web browser and then type download XAMPP. Hit enter and then open the first link. So this page will open in front of you. I will put the link of this page in the description box. You can check that link after watching the video. So this page is showing the various options for different operating systems to download XAMPP, for Windows, for Linux and for OS X. I'm using Windows, so I will click on this option. So based on your operating system, you choose your option accordingly. After clicking on it, it will redirect me to the download page. And my download should start now. So here we go. After clicking on save, my download has been started. So after the download has been completed, go to the folder where you have downloaded the XAMPP. So I have downloaded it in the download folder, in the programs, and here is this. Double click on it, click on yes, and the installation process will begin shortly. Click on yes, OK, next, and now select the directory where you want to install. So I want to install the XAMPP in the F drive. So now select the folder, and now you have to make sure to put a folder name here. So I am putting the folder name as XAMPP. So click on next. So now it has opened its home page on my web browser. On minimizing it, I will click on next. So now the installation has been started. You should wait while the installation process has been completed. So after the installation process has been finished, this window will open in front of you. So it is showing various of the options: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. You need to keep in mind that before using the localhost, you need to start the Apache and MySQL services. So click on Start on Apache and click on Start to MySQL. It is very important to note that you need to start these two services, MySQL and Apache. Without starting them, you cannot open and use the localhost. So after starting them, click on the web browser, open a new tab and then type localhost /php my admin. Hit enter and it will open the PHP my admin console in your web browser. Now we have successfully installed a localhost on our system. So how to install a WordPress locally on XAMPP? In order to do it, open a new tab and then type download WordPress. Hit enter and then click on the first link. It will open this page. Don't worry, I will put the link of this page also in the description. You can check that out after watching the video. Now click on this button and now it will redirect me to the download page. Click on save and it will start downloading the WordPress. So after the download of WordPress has been completed, go to the folder where you have downloaded it. So now I have downloaded in the download folder in compressed, and here it is, WordPress. Now it is in the zip format. You need to unzip it. So right click on it and then extract files. It will extract all the files of the WordPress here. Click on OK and now it has extracted all the files of the WordPress. So now here we go. this folder contains all the files of the WordPress. Now what you have to do, just copy this folder and then go to the directory where you have installed the XAMPP. I have installed the directory XAMPP in the F directory. Now open it and then go to the htdocs folder. Click on it and then paste here the WordPress folder. Now it is pasting it here. So what it is doing is that we need to install the WordPress inside the XAMPP server. So we are copying this WordPress folder inside the htdocs folder. So now here it is. We need to rename this WordPress folder as per the name of the website you want to create. For example, we want to create the website whose name is demo web. Hit enter. So now it is representing the website which is installed inside the localhost XAMPP. So before using the WordPress, we need to create a database inside our localhost phpMyAdmin. So open the localhost phpMyAdmin and then click on databases. And now this window will open in front of you and type here the name of the database. Well, we are going to create the demo website, so we will name it as demo website and then click create. So it will create the database of the demo website. After creating the database, we can now access our WordPress website. Now the name of our WordPress website is the same as which we have renamed in the htdocs folder. So to access that our website, we can type localhost slash the name of our website was demo web and then hit enter. So now it will open this and will ask us to choose the language. So I will choose the English United States. Click continue. Now click let's go. And it is now asking us to connect the database which we have created in the localhost. The name of our database was demo website. Make sure to put the username as root and keep the password blank for a while. Now click submit. Now it is asking us to run the installation of the WordPress. So click on this. It is asking us for some of the details of our site. For example, the site title. So the title of my site will be demo website. WCP capital. The username is admin. The password is admin. You need to remember the username and the password, and you can later on change the password and username also. So now it is asking to confirm the use of weak password. Now it is asking to enter the email, and this option you need to uncheck it because it is asking to discourage the search engines from indexing this site. It means that if you check this option, then the search engine will not be able to search your site. So keep this option unchecked. So after filling the email, install the WordPress. So after clicking the install WordPress, it is showing us the success message with username and the password. Now we have successfully installed a WordPress on our local host. Now we can log in our site. Click on login button and it is asking us the username and the password. The username and password of our site is admin and admin both. You can check it by revealing it. So tap on remember me and then click on login. So as you can see, we have successfully installed a WordPress on our local host, and this is the dashboard of our WordPress from which we are going to change and customize our WordPress site. We can also access our WordPress website, which is a basic website provided by the WordPress. We can access it by going to the URL and just type localhost / the name of your website. In my case, it is a demo web, and hit enter. And here it is. It is a basic WordPress website which is provided by the WordPress. So now we have successfully created the basic WordPress website in our first video. So congratulations. And in the next video, we are going to learn how to install WordPress theme on XAMPP localhost. If you like the video, then like it, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for getting more stuff related to WordPress. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.